Dear students, today we shall learn about using Action Center. Using Action Center. What is the Action Center? So you can see on the taskbar, you can see this small button. This is called the Action Center. So let us learn it. The Action Center in Windows 10 is the place to view alerts and notifications from various apps. So using this Action Center in Windows 10 gives us view alerts and notifications. These two things. So underline in your textbook too. Two things. One is view alerts and notifications from various apps. It also lists various maintenance messages that help you to take actions to run Windows smoothly. So maintenance messages that help you to take action. So these messages will help you. Action Center will helps to run Windows smoothly. It can displays emails and calendar events too. So displays means it shows emails and calendar events too. So calendar events also it shows. It offers options to connect a computer to another device and change settings in Windows 10. So this Action Center helps us to connect a computer to another devices and other settings in Windows 10. Action Center can be accessed by clicking its button. So this is the button, Action Center. Clicking its button on the taskbar. You can see, for example, this is the taskbar and you can see the Action Center. So this is the Action Center, the small button. So for the more clarification, you can see here, this is the icon. This is the icon of the Action Center. Then when you click on that, you can see many apps on this. One is settings, tablet mode, location, connect, project, notes. You can see different. So about if we have to learn about the tablet mode, we can learn it afterwards. So when you click on each thing, it shows different modes and different ways it helps us. So this is the Action Center. On the top only the just view. A just view is the Action Center and we can see many apps on this. So about each thing we can learn it later. So Action Center, you need to remember view alerts and notifications, emails and calendar events too. And it gives us the connection to the computer to another device. So we should remember all these points. It's not only learn it and write it in your textbook.